In this video you will see how to calculate percentage in Excel. It's very easy. Let's get started. So I have this data. These are the names of students and the marks obtained by those students in science and maths are given here, and the total marks were 200, out of which they got these marks. Now to calculate the percentage, first of all we need to calculate the marks obtained by students. So to calculate the marks obtained by students, click on the cell and we will press equal to on the keyboard. We will select the first cell, science marks plus math marks, and then we will press enter on the keyboard to get the total marks obtained by that student. Now to calculate marks obtained by other students, we can just drag down the cell like this and the total marks will be calculated for each student. Now we will calculate the percentage. So to calculate the percentage, the formula is total marks obtained divided by the total marks. So we will type equal to, so marks obtained divided by total marks, and now we will press enter on the keyboard. This is not the percentage, so to convert this number to the percentage, we will click here on percent button to convert this number to percentage, and now we will just drag the cell down to calculate percentages of each student. This is how you can find percentage in Excel. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to learn more about Excel. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.